Now, this is a question about composite functions, and I'm going to start this question off by just answering this question. What is f bracket 4? Now, this equation here, up until this level, that used to be y equals 4x, and the question we have here would be, what is y when x equals 4? It's the same question, it's just a different way of writing it. So, all you need to do for f brackets 4 is feed in 4 as x. So that's going to be 4 times 4, which is 16. Okay, same answer as this, and it's the same question, just written differently. And at this level you need to be comfortable with function notation rather than y equals. Okay, now I said I'd ignore the g. The g says, oh okay, when you're done with f, g wants to do it as well. So what I should be writing is this, and I still have to apply a g to all of this. Let's get rid of that. And so I still need to apply the g to the 16. So we've done the f, and the f we did first because it's closest to the brackets. So whichever one's closest to the brackets you do first. Okay, we've done the f. Now we need to do the g, and we just do exactly the same thing. So g of 16, we're going to feed 16 into the equation. Well, it says 7 plus 2x, so it's going to be 7 plus 2 times 16. I know 2 times 16 is 32, and I know 32 plus 7 is going to be 39. 39, okay. And so therefore the answer is just 39. Okay, perfect, right. The next one. This time it's important to notice that the f and g are the other way around. So it's g that we're going to be doing first, and then f. Now the thing we're feeding in is x. Well, you can't feed in x as x. Well, you can. It's just going to remain as x. So let's focus on the g first. So we're going to do g of x first. And now g of x is just given to us in the question. It's this bit here. So it's going to be 7 plus 2x. Now f wants to then use that 7 plus 2x and feed it into the f of x equation. So f of x is 4 times x. We're feeding in the 7 plus 2x, so it's going to be 4 times 7 plus 2x. Then we can expand that a little bit. So 4 times 7 is 28, plus 4 times 2 is 8x. Okay, now there's an equation here which I've kind of ignored up until now, but we need to write it now. So it says that 28 plus 8x, which is the fg brackets x, equals 52. So let's sort that out, solve that. So the first thing I can do is take away 28 both sides. And if it's on the calculator paper, you might as well use a calculator to double check your answer. If it's not on the calculator paper, I think most of you will be able to work that out. It's 24. And then we want to divide the 8. So we get x equals, so it's x equals 3.